How to set up auto moderation in Discord without coding. Firstly, open any of your preferred web browser and go to discord.com. If you haven't already, then sign up or log into your account. Now, unfortunately, Discord does not have a built-in feature for auto moderation. However, you can use bots to do that. One popular bot is Me6, but before that, if in your server settings there's the option of auto mode, then you can also do it from Discord. However, it might not be available for all servers. For this, open a new tab on your web browser. Now search for Me6 Discord bot. Click on the first link that appears. To link this to your Discord, click on the option Add to Discord. When you do that, then this kind of page opens up. Here you will see terms and condition. Make sure to read it. Scroll down and select the option Authorize to connect. Once it is linked, you can use different plugins to start auto moderation. That's all for today. Thank you.